What if I told you there's a place where Earth looks like another planet, where stone arches float in the sky, and where silence echoes across endless red deserts? A land where ancient seas left behind salt, where pioneers built cities in isolation, and where nature feels almost unreal. This is not just a state. This is Utah. 30. The Mighty 5 National Parks. Utah is home to 5 national parks: Arches, Zion, Bryce Canyon, Canyonlands, Capitol Reef. Known as the Mighty 5, each offers completely different landscapes: natural arches, deep canyons, towering cliffs. Millions visit every year. These parks define Utah. 29. Arches like nowhere else. Utah has over 2,000 natural stone arches, formed by erosion over millions of years. Delicate Arch is the most famous. Balanced rock formations seem impossible. Stone shaped by wind and water. Fragile, yet enduring. Utah turns geology into art. 28. The Great Salt Lake. The Great Salt Lake is one of the saltiest lakes in the world. Salt levels are much higher than oceans. People can float easily. It's a remnant of ancient Lake Bonneville. Water evaporates, but salt remains. It supports unique ecosystems. Utah holds ancient water, changed by time. 27. Salt Flats, a mirror Earth. Bonneville Salt Flats stretched for miles. Flat, white, endless. After rain, they reflect the sky perfectly. Used for land speed records, cars race at incredible speeds. It looks like another world. Utah creates surreal landscapes. 26. A desert with snow. Utah is both desert and snowy mountain state. Southern regions are dry and hot. Northern mountains receive heavy snowfall. This contrast is extreme. Skiing and desert hiking coexist. Few places offer both. Utah is 2 worlds in one. 25. World-class ski destinations. Utah is famous for its snow. Greatest snow on Earth is a local phrase. Light, dry powder attracts skiers globally. Resorts like Park City and Alta are world-class. Winter drives tourism. Mountains become playgrounds. Utah turns cold into opportunity. 24. The Wasatch Front. Most of Utah's population lives along the Wasatch Front, a narrow urban corridor between mountains and desert. Cities like Salt Lake City lie here. Geography shapes settlement. People cluster where life is possible. Utah's population is concentrated. 23. Mormon pioneer history. Utah was settled by Mormon pioneers in the 1800s. They traveled across harsh terrain, seeking religious freedom. Salt Lake City was founded as a refuge. Community and faith shaped development. This history defines Utah. Culture runs deep. 22. The Salt Lake Temple. The Salt Lake Temple is a major religious landmark, built over 40 years, an architectural symbol. It represents faith and perseverance. Central to the city, Utah's identity is tied to belief. History built in stone. 21. Film industry favorite. Utah's landscapes appear in many films, westerns especially. Monument Valley is iconic. Though partly in Arizona, it defines Utah imagery. Red rock backdrops are cinematic. Hollywood loves this terrain. Utah looks like a movie. 20. Dinosaur discoveries. Utah is rich in dinosaur fossils, some of the most complete skeletons found here. Quarries preserve ancient remains. The land was once full of life, millions of years ago. Now it reveals secrets. Utah connects past and present. 19. Zion Canyon Heights. Zion National Park features towering cliffs, some over 2,000 feet high, carved by the Virgin River. Narrow canyons create dramatic views. Hiking here is intense. Nature feels overwhelming. Utah pushes scale to extremes. 18. Bryce Canyon Hoodoos. Bryce Canyon is famous for hoodoos, tall, thin rock spires, formed by erosion and frost. They glow orange and red, especially at sunrise. They look unreal. Utah creates natural sculptures. 17. Canyonlands vastness. Canyonlands is massive, divided into districts, carved by rivers, deep, rugged, isolated. Few visitors explore its depths. It feels untouched. Utah hides vast wilderness. Unique rock colors. Utah's rocks vary in color: red, orange, white, even purple. Minerals create these shades. Iron oxide gives red tones. Layers reveal history. The land is painted naturally. Utah is visually striking. 15. Water scarcity. Utah is one of the driest states. Water is limited. Reservoirs and conservation are essential. The Great Salt Lake is shrinking. Climate change impacts supply. Growth adds pressure. Utah survives through planning. 14. Ancient petroglyphs. Rock carvings exist across Utah, created by ancient peoples. Symbols etched into stone, stories without words. Their meanings remain mysterious. Utah holds ancient voices, still visible. 13. The Utah monolith mystery. In 2020, a metal monolith appeared in Utah, found in a remote desert. No clear origin. It disappeared later, sparked global curiosity. Modern mystery in ancient land. Utah still surprises. 12. Dark sky reserves. Utah has some of the darkest skies in the U.S., perfect for stargazing. Few lights, clear air, stars shine intensely. The Milky Way is visible. Utah connects you to space. 11. The Colorado Plateau. Much of Utah sits on the Colorado Plateau, a stable geological region. Erosion shapes it dramatically. Canyons, mesas, arches. This plateau defines Utah. It's ancient and vast. 10. Outdoor adventure hub. Utah is built for adventure. Hiking, climbing, rafting. Nature is the main attraction. People come to explore. The land invites movement. Utah isn't passive. It demands action. Number 9. Unique wildlife. Utah hosts diverse wildlife. Desert animals, mountain species, coyotes, elk, bighorn sheep. Adaptation is key. Life thrives in extremes. Utah supports resilience. Number 8. Rapid population growth. Utah is one of the fastest growing states. Cities expand quickly. Economy is strong. Opportunities attract people. Growth brings challenges. Balance is needed. Utah evolves rapidly. Number 7. Silicon Slopes Tech Hub. Utah has a growing tech industry known as Silicon Slopes. Companies and startups thrive. Innovation spreads. Economy diversifies. Utah looks forward. Number 6. Unique liquor laws. Utah has strict alcohol laws, influenced by cultural values. Regulations differ from other states. It shapes nightlife, reflects history and beliefs. Utah operates differently. Number 5. Natural bridges. Utah has massive natural bridges, carved by water, larger than arches, rare formations. They span canyons. Nature builds architecture. Utah showcases it. Number 4. High elevation state. Utah has high average elevation. Mountains dominate. Air is thinner. Climate varies with altitude. It shapes lifestyle. Utah stands elevated. Number 3. A land of contrasts. Desert versus snow. Ancient versus modern. Silence versus growth. Utah holds opposites and balances them. Number 2. Resilience in harsh land. Utah's environment is tough, dry, rugged, extreme. People adapt. Communities grow. Strength defines life. Utah builds resilience. Number 1. The spirit of Utah. Utah is stillness and power. A place where time feels slow, where nature speaks louder than people. It strips away noise and leaves clarity. Utah doesn't demand attention, it earns it. A land of quiet strength and endless wonder. If this journey changed how you see Utah, hit that like button, comment your favorite fact below, and don't forget to subscribe to Geoponeglyph for more cinematic explorations. Because some places are just land, but Utah, it's where Earth becomes art.